Back to a new video, and now we are going to do part 3 of how to build a school. So we've had 2 parts already. First part, it took us so long to make this. Second part, it didn't take us that long. It took us surprisingly a short time to make this and this zone area thingy. So what you're going to do is get out your cyan wool first for today, and the green wool. If you have made a mistake, well, yeah, just get both of them out, even if you haven't made a mistake. So you are going to start by destroying these 2 blocks of green wool on the corners and just replacing them with cyan. So we're just working on this racetrack a bit as well again. Now we're going to start by digging a row of 5 here, just right next to that, and just move and just destroy a row in front of every single block, but destroy this row of blocks because we are going to be doing a slight shift over. So need to do that and that. So just move it all like that. And that. So yeah, that's just the idea that you're gonna be doing. And replace these blocks again. 1 block inwards. Just like that, basically. We've just moved it 1 block that way, because now this is centered and there's an equal amount of gap on both sides. So yeah, that's basically just a bit of an edit. Kind of looks like a balloon, honestly, now that I look at it from above. So now to start, we are going to start by getting out some stone and andesite. So normal stone and normal andesite blocks. Stone blocks and normal andesite blocks. So let's start this by make a row of 3, 1 andesite, a row of 3, 1 andesite, a row of 3, no, a row of 5, 1 andesite, and just do the rest of the row in with stone. Now you don't have to do this andesite part, you can just fill it all in with stone. Or you know what would look better? Instead of that, let's use... should we change it? I mean, I think it would honestly look better as grey wool and light grey. Yeah, so replace all the andesite with light grey. And let's just change the weather. Or actually, replace this with dark grey and replace this with light grey. Which one looks better? Yeah, I think the grey wool here looked a bit better. And let's just find another darker grey block instead. Yeah, cobble deep slate. So put cobble deep slate the way you have these, where you started with the andesite, and the rest of it just with grey wool. Just like that. Now go by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One cobble deep slate, and just fill in the rest of the row with grey. Now the next 3 rows are just gonna be grey. And now do 3 cobble deep slate and the rest just grey wool. Now the next row fully grey wool. Now for this row, do it. Let's do 8 cobble deep slate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest with grey wool. And now just do 8 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest with grey wool. Now 1 cobble deep slate, 8 grey wool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 cobble deep slate and 8 grey wool again. Then 1 cobble deep slate and 1 grey wool. Now just do this, but replace this block with a cobble deep slate. Next row, fully grey wool. Next row, 1 cobble deep slate and the rest of it grey wool, but the last block you also want cobble deep slate. And for this row, 1 grey wool, cobble deep slate. Go to the last one until you have 2 blocks left, and just 2 cobble deep slate. This is what you should have so far. Something kinda like that. And now just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we call it? Grey wool. 2 cobble deep slate. And then just rest of the row in with the grey wool. But the last one, we need cobble deep slate. Now let's do 1 whole row of grey wool and 1 whole row of cobble deep slate. Except for the last one on this side, and this side we want grey wool. Next row, fully grey wool. Just like that. Then do 1 cobble deep slate, 2 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, 2 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, 3 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, 5 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, and just 3 grey wool. And a whole row of grey wool and just 3 cobble deep slate and the rest of the row in with grey wool. Then 2 grey wool, 5 cobble deep slate, fully grey wool after that. And then for the last and final row, you want one grey wool, 3 cobble deep slate, and then 5, 6, 9 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, 3 grey wool, 1 cobble deep slate, and the rest of the row grey wool. So you should have something that looks like this, which is the concrete play area. And now we are going to work on something that I planned very later in the middle of yesterday's video. We will now need some warped fence. Oh, why did I delete the grey wool and stuff? Just get your grey wool back if you also deleted it with me. There we go. So done on me. Now you are going to get any color of the fence you want. I will get pale. Or let's see what we have. Or you could use iron bars as long as it has some kind of visual input to it. Like you can see through it. Hey, get off. Thank. Okay. So you're going to start by putting one whole row of whatever your chosen fence or your visual inputted fence kind of block thing is. Just make a whole row around this except for the front. Like that. And you're going to go on top of that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are going to go above that by 9. So you should have a row of 10 in total in the end. I'll see you guys once I do that. Okay, I guess you guys just watched me do that. Skip forward if you want. I had no idea that my video was still playing. I hate when that happens. Like if you accidentally pause the video. Or you just talk about something upcoming while I just do this. Okay, we'll actually do 3 yards as well. I planned that today. So yeah. I'll pause the video now for you though. Oh yeah guys, and also just before you do anything here on this poll, I just need to tell you, you will want to increase this fence out by 1, because otherwise if the kids slide, they just run into the wall and they won't be able to slide. So yeah, you just want to increase this wall out just by 1. Only this 1 block area though. All of it is just going to be normal around it. Yeah. See you guys in a sec now. You have got... I just... God. What? I just left this on for the whole... Hopefully you skipped the video to this part. But I hope you didn't miss this part either when you had to increase it out. And if you did, it's not that hard. You just have to delete one row and remake it one row back. And the rest just comes in for you. Just like that. So yeah, not that hard. But anyways, let's start to go to the other yard. The higher one. So for this ramp, you will only need grey wool, which I've just made disappear. So yeah, grey wool and your cobble deep slate, and let's see what fence. And let's take birch and a birch fence. It can be any fence, but I'm gonna take birch. So you're gonna start this by, let's see how many blocks this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, I'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 20 blocks, so let's go to the 10th. So on this block, like here, you are just going to place one single grey wool, and in front of it another one, and delete this one. So you just want to have this. And let's do the same for the other side. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's the exactly middle point. So 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now go this way near the chill zone, just by 1. So you should have 2 blocks in total. Now increase it by 1 extra layer, both sides, and another one, and you guessed it, another one. So you just want this with a gap. Wait, what? So you should have a gap of 6 on both sides. Now it's always. Now that's 6. Yeah, so you have a gap of 6 on each. Actually, make that a gap of 5 on each side. No, leave it as a gap of 6 on each side. Now do a 5, do a 5. Now increase that out by 3. So 1, 2. No, actually increase it out by 3. 3. So now you have this. And now what you are going to do is on the final one, on the 4th row, make another row on top and increase it out by 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And yet again. 1, 2, and 3. Is that high enough? Let's do it just one more time. 1, Now you're only going to increase this one out by 2. So 1, 2. And here you have your ramp. So now you are going to get out some, let's see, you are going to get some spruce planks and just go like this. 1, 2, 3. Go up by it until you're fully in line with that wall. So that, just like this. And then what? Wait a minute, guys. Let's just see what we're meant to do next. So yeah, I have the wall, and then for that area, that's gonna be next episode. Yeah. Or should I just make it this episode? Okay, I'll just make it extra. Okay, so never mind. Actually, instead what you are going to do is just connect that there. And just do the exact same thing on this side. And instead of that, delete the last row and replace the last row with some oak. So basically just like this. And now you just have a ramp leading up. And now what you are going to do is go to the side like that of it, just like that, and the exact same thing on the other side. Just like that. And place your birch fences right on top of that. Just like this. Wait a minute, guys. I always get distracted. Okay. Anyway. Next, you are going to increase it up by 1. Actually, no, leave it like that. Leave it like that. And just do the exact same thing on this side. Just like this. And boom, now you just have a ramp that leads up. And actually, to kind of make it look a bit better, let's get out some cobble deep slate stairs and just replace the very front blocks, these ones, with cobble deep slate stairs, just like this. Like that. Like that. And like. And I don't want it to look like stairs. I want it to look more like a ramp. So it just makes it a bit more like flat, slanty type thingy. So yeah. Next thing you are going to do. I'm sorry if I scared you by doing the next so loud. So now you are going to get out your grey wool, and then you are going to go actually get out your spruce planks and increase this wall out by 3, so increase it back by 3, and on the exact same thing on the exact opposite side, just like that. Nice. And now you can just go up this ramp. Next thing, which is definitely going to be the longest thing, is make another additional row even in front of that, and increase both sides out by 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the exact same thing on the other side. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just like that. And go back of it by go back of it by 30. So wait, no, go back of it by 50. That's gonna be so super duper hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50. And just connect the back to the other side. You don't have to count on the other side. So just do that until you've met up with that. And then now let's just drag this lock. And you'll just have this massive area which will be a free play yard. So that's a equipment and chillax zone yard with all of that and stuff. And here you will have a runaround yard. And what else you will need is to make this wall go out by make it go out by make it go out by 10. So I have 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make it go back into here like that. And actually no, wait, make it go like that and then make it hug back. No, wait, so yeah, and make it hug back into itself. So just like this, and here you just have a small area which we will work in the next episode. And let's just work on this area now. So for this area you are just going to do one thing. You are going to make a repeating pattern of 1, 2, 3, 1 cobbled, 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 1, 2, 3, 2 cobbled, no, 1 cobbled, 1, 2, 3, 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 1 kobold, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 kobold, and 1, 2. So you are going to do that, and then for the next row, you, instead of 3, you're going to do 4, like that. Oops. Wait, what? Yeah, nice. So now you're going to do that, and then you're going to just make it go like another time that, and so on. Actually, one more time like that diagonally, and then you're going to make it go back to in. Let me show you what I mean when I do it. So I basically mean just like this, just going like that, like that, like that, like that, all the way to there, which I will now do off camera. Final thing that we are going to do for this episode. This is probably going to be one of the longest episodes. So we're just going to repeat the exact same thing that we did there, though on this side. Just like that. And we need it to be the same on this side, so let's just change that. I decided let's make it like that. And now we are going to get some oak saplings and bone meal. This has been a very long episode. We are going to start by just continuing this wall though here. So right over here. This is just kind of like a handle to hold. Exact same thing on this side. So just here, 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 and there. Now you will have to get out grass, and for the final parts of this, you're going to fill in both of these sections in with the grass. So let me just do that. So now we are just going to do one thing. So go to this corner of this side's one and go 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, place a sapling, leave a gap of 3, place a sapling on the 4th block, leave a gap of 3, place a sapling on the 4th block, change the weather to clear, leave a gap of 3, put a sapling on the 4th block, and yeah, that's basically it. And now we are going to leave a gap of 3 behind this on the 4th block. Just repeat that, so you can just use the front, and just grow all of these trees just like this. Oh god, I hate when that happens. Boom, there's a hole in the tree. And that, and all of these, this and this. Now just grow some more grass. There we go. And there we just have a small gardening area. Oh my god, that tree grew so high. And just do the exact same thing on this side. I honestly forgot how I done it. Was it 3? Let's see. So gap of 2, 3 blocks up. 2 by 2. Yeah. A gap of 3, 1 on the 4th block. A gap of 3, 1 on the 4th block. A gap of 3, 1 on the 4th block. Just like that. And again, exact same thing. Count 4 blocks back, and on the 4th block back, just grow it out. Grow, 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 and just grass. This is safe for kids to go in, by the way, since it's just trees. Oh, not safe, not safe, not safe, not safe, not safe. We don't want anything at all. Only short. There we almost go. There we go. So now we just have 2 areas. And this is just for like nature, basically. We need some kind of form of nature. So let's just put down some trees. And that's basically it for this episode. So this is an awful long episode. So bye guys.